You can be your own free marketing. Instead of going out there and spending loads and loads of money on entrepreneurs promoting you, influencers, whether you're going out there and spending money on AdWords, posting on LinkedIn and trying to get those bumped, whether you're paying on Reddit, whether you're spamming money on Instagram or TikTok, did you know that you can generate your own leads? And best of all, keep those leads for constantly growing an audience. This here is a YouTube video. In fact, it's videos like this that help me generate leads for my own business. People watch these videos, they trust my advice, they see that I've helped other companies grow, they listen to my advice, they trust the advice that comes out of my face and go, that Alan is the Alan that I want to work with. They go to my website or they click on the free discovery link in the description down below. They book a conversation with me and ta-da! I've got leads. Not only have I got leads, but I also have their name, their email address, a phone number, and their website or their YouTube account in which then I can help them. I can consult them or I can add them to my constant growing address book. Yeah, because address books still exist in 2026. Alan, you're showing your age. It constantly swells my contact list that I can communicate with, whether it's a new service, whether I send out feelers every couple of months saying, hey, haven't heard from you in a couple of months. Do you still need any YouTube help? Hey, I've been watching your podcast. Did you know that you did this, this, and this? Have you thought of considering trying this with your podcast? It might convert better. Why don't you book a one-on-one call with me? Maybe we can talk about it more. The power of YouTube is amazing. And the best thing about it is it's literally you click record, you speak to a camera, you upload it to the free website, you title it okay, you thumbnail it okay, and there's a chance that that video could gain you views, and those views could gain you clients. The more videos you upload, the more nets are out there trying to catch these fish. You can amplify this. Now, you can either come to me and you click on the free discovery call link down below and you can talk to me that way, or in other brands that I manage, I've got a healthyweightlossglp1.com website and I have the Mosh Manual, which is a festival camping and survival guide website. I don't have YouTube channels for those two specific brands. The Healthy Weight Loss GLP-1, maybe I connect to my weight loss channel, Alan Spicer is losing it. But what I do have are free downloadable help guides. The weight loss one is literally a 14-day meal plan, and the Mosh Manual one is a survival guide for people that want to go to festivals for the first time that I generated in Canva using AI. Please make me a help guide for festival camping. And then I tweak it. I add my own affiliate links. I add images. I add my own personal touch. It is now a free PDF that I can get them to scan the QR code and to download. They get the value of a genuinely helpful PDF that may even have a few affiliate links that help me that way. And I, in return, get their email address and their name, and I get a constantly niche generated mailing list that I know they went to the Healthy Weight Loss GLP-1 site. So I know that anyone that signed up and downloaded this 14-day meal plan is all about health. If I want to send them out an email talking about a new supplement range or where I get my Monjuro from, or a specific weight loss exercise program or a treadmill that I'm being sent or whatever, I've got a specific bucket that I can put them in. And I know what things I can market them to. So many people get lost in the trap of spending money, and spending money does help. But in a world where you don't have money, but you have a lot of time, when, for example, you're starting your own freelance or your own entrepreneurial journey, when you're doing a 9 till 5 and then you come home, you grab a sandwich and then you work from 5 till 9 in the evening, just like me, I'm sat here at 9 o'clock at night when England could be playing in the World Cup. Right, but I'm making these videos. These videos are marketing tools for me. I don't need to spend money on Google ads and YouTube advertising. I simply make these videos. I make them valuable enough for you, and hopefully they attract your attention enough to contact me. And you can do the same for your own business. And it's very simple. You don't even have to spend a lot of money on equipment. There's going to be a video here telling you exactly the equipment you need. If it's not there just yet, subscribe or book a discovery call for free.